morning, and we are here today at the GoldStream Provincial Park for having a walk. We're having for a walk here, and the weather is cloudy and it's cold. It's a nice view, right? All you can see is trees, big trees. I feel cold. I forgot my toque. We are going to walk all the way to the falls, and I don't know how many minutes we're going to walk, but it's good because of our exercise. So this is the camping ground. Where are we going?
Here, near our falls.
It's really cold. Going on. Going up the hill. What are you doing?
I'm making video.
So all, as you can see guys, all these areas are for the camping side. You can see lots of people who are going to camping during summer, but now is winter here, so nobody can go into camping because it's very cold at night.
I can walk in the very narrow road.
So are you sure is this the road?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
How many hours we're going to walk?
approximately 3.
Oh my god. So this is the falls. That's a lot.
Here.
What's the title of that song, Elena? Gura? What's the title of that song?
Dura.
Dura?
Dura, yeah.
I like it. I want to look down. I'm afraid. I have fear of heights. Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
You're the YouTuber, come on, forget.
Yeah, wait.
Take a picture.
This is video. Say
Hi.
hi.
Take one photo and say,
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Go ahead, Anna, go. We can do it. Oh no. Oh. Ah, I don't like to look down. If you can see over there, we have to walk going to the middle. But oh my God, it's too high. We're already at the top of the mountain. Oh my God. Top. We're already at the top of the mountain by the bridge. Wow. So beautiful. So if you have the fear of the heights, then I think we cannot make it. Almost in the
almost
middle.
here. Oh my God. Vilma, go there, no. My
I want to go there to take a photo, but I'm scared.
Yeah, me too. I'm scared. I can't.
Oh, Chutan is already here. I was already there. Far, far, far. We go slowly. Take your time. Don't look down.
No, I
Just concentrate.
can more, but I feel so scary.
Me too.
Yeah. I can more. No, no more. Oh, I see that. I go back. I go back. I can't.
Wait.
I can't more.
Oh my God. Oh.
Scary.
Go back. Jaten, we're going back. Where's Jaten now?
She's coming. Maybe your she's over there.
He's very brave.
Yes. Yeah, I know. But I see her.
She has a training before, right?
Yeah, she did the parachute. Normal people.
Almost. Almost.
I said, Ellie, take me picture, take me picture.
Yeah, Birma took picture to you.
That's video, not picture.
No.
No, I take a picture.
I said,
I'm so stressful now. You see, Kaka, and you don't set us.
We're here. Good job. We made it. Woo! Done for today. So, thank you guys for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell